Okay guys, continue na ni. We're gonna pause. We're in Manila right now. Kamaro? Kuyog skinan mo, Ji? Okay guys, we're gonna pause. We're gonna go to the condo. And we're gonna ligo-ligo in the pool.
No, ignanti ko time lapse.
Doon na ta guys. Yes. Oh my parents guys. We're kidnapper to. Sayo pa kayo. Okay. Wait.
Okay guys, we are
Kasi ganun mag-vlogger. Ikaw. Morning post na ka ng kuan, ana.
Okay guys, we are now so close to the, what do you call that again? Mondo. Yes.
It's condo.
Let's go to your home and explore.
We are going inside out. Oh, what? They have Chinese food here. They have Chinese food here. We tried to look for bulldog. Asok bulldog. Oh. Okay, they found a bulldog. Look at this, guys. There are the bulldog.
Picture bi. Ay kani click na yung camera. Wating.
Yes, guys. Chinese.
65.
Ota.
Oh, tog 65 bro.
Ag.
Dollars.
Hala.
Oh, pesos ay nabutas Pilipinas.
Do ka di ba? 90 oh.
Ay ginag ana.
90.
105.
105 ang kani.
Same price. Uy, imo kalitan.
Di.
Kalitan. Yung anta.
Pila ba na?
95.
Ay,
Okay guys, this is only 95 pesos.
Oh. That is
Just not
this-
like the canteen. It is 120.
This guy is so lucky that he got the last one.
Yes.
muna las kani mahal lang ini.
Yes. Okay guys, so I am the chosen one.
Ani siya lang tani.
Yes, and I will.
Pwede man magluto dito.
Okay. So,
May pag-inani nandun. Mukaan ka madrasog hang.
So kita lang duha lang palita.
Duha na lang.
Pero kung dili makaharot kay labtikan.
Tatay.
oh.
Doon na to. Unsa ko nita 105.
Okay guys, so I changed. This will be the one I will be choosing. Yes.
Unsa gani na flavor carbonara?
Yes, so guys,
We
this
pick
is.
carbonara, guys.
Yes. Okay, so guys, I will pick water. This one. Yes. Okay.
And here's your carbonara.
Oh, thank you. So what is that?
This is for the curing spice. So halang-halang.
I
No, I
don't-
feel like Korean convenience store.
Yes, sir. To be real, guys, we're just in Manila, not in Korea. Just look at this. Like, what the hell?
Pwede man luto sa naman. Asa na lang ito. Katawan mo ito mag-usin. Apa man mo?
Igun ano?
I-video na
Oh,
ako.
ako. Cashier ba?
Okay na na. Madrasa mo water madrasa be.
Sana ko pa.
Carbonara.
Okay, so guys, we will be paying for our carbonara.
Nas,
And what are they doing there?
Lotsa, what are you doing?
Oh, the cigarettes.
Cigarettes.
Uy, pakita ang cheese ko.
Let's find cheese, guys.
What cheese? Like that bulldog cheese?
Yes, cheese, just cheese. Okay, we follow this guy because
Not the bulldog cheese.
he's the chosen one.
But that full of cheese. Cheese, but cheese dili bulldog.
Oh,
Cheese.
I thought. Okay. Just cheese stick. Just follow me.
Chosen one ba ka?
I know
He is the chosen one, so we have to follow him.
I think it's just here. Oh, I thought it was the cheese.
Ato the speakers na. Basta na speakers, William. Cover, digger. Cheese. Where? Let's find cheese, guys.
It's okay, so guys, they followed me. Now look. I think the cheese is here.
Yeah, we followed it.
Yes.
Awa do. Yakult oh.
Ano po ito pa rin? Ang palit to.
Okay.
Palit ang Yakult oh.
Okay. Okay, so guys, we will buy this.
We will buy Yakult because it's
Yes.
very halag.
Yes. Halal mode.
Halal. Yes.
So we will be paying for it because we're rich as hell.
Ano lang dito?
Dili mo magyakot kay mag-play mo, mag-arasi mo. Victor na dito.
Baptist. Jerky? What? Di ba na jerky? Uy.
Jerky man na.
Dati pangalan. Dati pa Jerky ni guys. Jerky ni. Or di ba ni jerky?
Okay. This was made by Ariola because he's a complete jerk.
Uy, nabayad na ako.
Basta lagi di mga una
Uy,
niya.
may gum?
Ikaw kayo kasabot sa kagsaya. Sino ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan?
This guy asking random questions.
Okay.
Ato na
let's
ta.
ask that guy.
Like, dali, maligo tagdali. Para mga
Kasi mga ate ko, dadaan.
Atlet.
Okay guys.
Ako may camera ba?
Okay guys, I will bring
Inyo. Wait.
Okay guys, it is now very hot.
Posan na to.
See? We walking because see guys, we got bulldog. We got bulldog carbonara.
Yes, I am the chosen one.
He is the chosen one.
Tama lang si chosen one.
Okay,
Yummy stand.
Sa kuan. Sa religious character.
Mads.
Isa man lang chosen one.
me, yes.
Look guys.
See, look at this.
Isa ng chosen one sa kuan CL.
Si Kwan, si Kinsa ka nito? Messiah.
Messiah.
Okay, so guys, I was pretty smart. I got that question correct.
But you ask question, anong pangalan mo?
Yes. Guys, I don't know Tagalog. I only know Bisaya and English. I know Chinese too.
Chinese writer.
I know Chinese words. Only two. Ching chong. I know Indianese.
Indian accent. Ang ganun mo.
Di mo. Tingaling.
bungee kasi YouTube.
Hindi na ginawa.
Make it plan.
Okay na na, we're bottom ballers. Okay, so guys. Pause.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. So we teleported. Now,
Ay,
so
lang.
we are now
Real
very
Mo
close.
ambak ka and then imo teleport ka nita. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Dadat to
So we are now in the pool.
Oh, baligo na
We will now take a shower.
Pause na si. Lo, ako sigdala ni